make love to me 3 times, 4 times and them thing there. You start do some things. Kalisha, right now, me pray as a gold digger, my youth.
Yeah, pray as a gold digger.
He's a gold digger, Kalisha, and a freaking bitch. He's a...
Yeah.
Kalisha. What's up, guys? You don't know, say, your boy Nathan, and yeah, guys, we are back, guys, with our next promotion, guys. Yeah. So, I want to go over to Silk Benjamin TV Vlogs, guys. You see me? The link is in the description. I want to know if you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, they have some good videos over there, guys. You see me? You can go over there, go check them out. You see it? I want to go over there, guys. Please, I beg you, like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you comment, guys, please, friend, subscribe. Turn on the bell and make them know, say, yo, I CECE and Nathan say, no, please, me, I beg you, guys. We have to make this work for we, because we can't do it by ourselves. If we don't do it, it not going to work, so me, I beg you to do that for me. See it. What's up, girls? You don't know it's your boy Nathan. Yeah, guys, and for you see my face, you know, so we're there back with something epic, guys. You see me? See, just try to prank me, guys, and so you can see for you. I'm not too wake up good, but I'm now itch. Same speed, me I drop this pan, I come here and say, yo, she not got too expect it, you see me? Same time after she prank me. So, guys, what me I go do is, in that house, guys, yeah, me I go upstairs, and I go tell CECE, say, yo, I want to do it in that house here. You see where she have a look at she, so she would have given me her, should have said no. You see me, guys, someone want to just like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me, guys. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, so when I post a new video, you can get notified, guys. You see me? Right now, guys, we are trying to push out the hard work for you. You see me? You see me, guys? Be a good content, be a read things. You see me, guys? So if it fail, I just say it, guys. You see me, guys? So I want to just stay tuned and watch the full video. Please watch the ads them, guys. I beg you. Yeah, I want to go over to the next channel, that is the CN family. Go subscribe to it. Yeah, we soon post on that. Yeah, guys, I have to start the camera a while ago because I hear like somebody that come around and I'm not taking a check to see. So, guys, just go over to the second channel as I was saying. Subscribe, turn on the bell, watch the intro we have over there. Yeah, guys, because you know, say, I be a madness over that channel there. We're not going to post too often, panda, but we soon start doing a video over there. So just support the channel, guys. As you may subscribe and show some love. I wanted to go over to my music page, that is Prodigy Music, with a Q at the end. Link in the description too. Yeah, guys, and subscribe and show some love. You see me? Yeah, guys, so I'm going to try to make this one as epic as possible. You see me? Yeah, if you see, if Missy say, yo, I tell her, say, yo, I want it here, so. And if she don't want to give me, I'm going to try to flip it in a way. I'm going to tell her, say, you know, say, if she give me, if she say she going to give me, I tell her, say, you know, say, from we start get local subscriber them, I will start, people start know, my sister, yo, yeah, start show me some more love where you never used to show me. Yeah, I do it with me regular and everything. You see me? I flip it into a gold digger prank. You see me, guys? If it not work. So just stay tuned, guys. Please watch the ads them. Please, me I beg you, guys. Just please watch the ads them, guys. When the ads them come up, guys, you can't skip the ads them, guys. You know, say I don't want to watch a video and somehow you can't bother for watching the ads. But me I beg you, guys, please don't have to watch the ads them. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Turn on the bell, guys. YouTube I get strict now. If you're not on the bell, no notification. So yeah, guys, see, I watch something over there, so. And I go set up the camera fast, so stay tuned, you see me, people. So guys, I go up there now, set up the camera. Set it right here, so guys, you see me. She not gonna expect the camera. She never expect a prank, by the way. So that I go mash her up. As many people, so just remember, guys. Team Nathan all the way. Team Nathan, guys. Should have won ya. Team Nathan, the lighting look bad, guys. I see me can find somewhere else fast for this. Lighting bad, there is some man. Wonder if we can do so. You know, guys, I try to find a place where the lighting good, but I'm not want to see the camera neither, you know. That I think she gone in her house. She don't wash. Let's see. Can go here. So. I'm going to record this again. Yeah, guys. So here's a look better. Yeah, I try my best to find a good angle, guys, but it seems like everywhere I go, the lighting are the same. So I gotta just do it with the same way, you see me? So guys, stay tuned, I'm gonna call CECE. Kalisha. 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 Come here. Come here. B? Yeah, come. Yeah, guys. I want you. You done wash? Okay, so cool, you know what? Yeah. You know, looking for this one. Yeah, I in the same matter. In the night, you done? Yeah, I need to learn. Okay, so cool and nice one. You can't do anything up better. You know what we bought? You know that? The whole place are the goat them. Mm-hmm. Be a goat shit and thing. Just call the person, I hope it's cool and nice. I can't do anything. You alright? You're hungry now? You go buy something? I go buy. I cooking man. I go there. I want to bust a vlog. Cooking vlog, you know? You have vlog with You know, say you look good though. You look extra good. I actually had this special food.
Maybe.
Maybe. No, man, that's it. Oh, your belly hurting. Yeah, man. Hungry? It's almost like it's something. You know what to do? Don't bother right no more. B. Feed. B. You want it right here, so. You just being on nobody now see her upstairs again.
Yeah, for one much friggin' house there on this so. What friggin' house there on this side?
Nobody now see, look here. Nobody now see, look here. You go to boom and cut, so. I'm just doing it. Who is it? Let's come up here and do it. We not busy about people. Me no want to go in no house. People they right next door over next room. And them are here together and board up.
I'm not busy. Better than here more than without a stamp picture.
Nobody now see.
Nathan, just got me.
Come no be.
No, Virginia.
You know give me.
No. Nathan, just got me.
Say me to tell me say sorry. You see me looking in your
I
eyes?
don't want to be my eye.
Sorry. Sorry, I catch my hand kissing your eye. Sorry. To burn you? Hush. Give me a shoot. I say it a burn you, you rub it out. Sorry, man. Be more some, man. More some. Come on, man. Just look a bit of me. Just lick. Please,
you
no.
want to come up here something?
You have to try something new. Look how that's so cool. New place, new environment.
Yeah, man.
You just season, man. You don't live with more people. You can't bother with the house every day, man.
You make it stand. Coming out in the opia, so. I'm not friggin' sure.
You know, if you get mad, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, still hurt you?
Yeah, so.
Sorry, man. B, you know, give me. Nah, give me. Go back where
All I got what is gone.
Lappy them gone. Oh, baby, man.
Oh, God. Me not on a bomb, you deaf? So me not up yourself? What the freak do you? Don't fucking touch me, man. You ever don't up yourself and come yourself?
So the first for everything.
Me not do it, you deaf?
Alright, you know, say. Let me tell you, look here.
You can't just stop me, just stop
You see,
and go
look
now.
here. So let's start. I don't know how you don't want to do it, okay, so you notice from the start, hit the local subscriber them. And we start and walk and people are called to whip on the road and I say, CECE and Nathan, what's up and so and so. You find out so you start treat me different.
Yeah, but it's different.
You start make love with me half thing. You start feed me regular. You start take care of me different. You know see?
Yes, I know, alright, B.
What you mean if we're alright?
First of all, I'm make this clear to you. We never have sex up here saying.
It's gonna be the first.
Why you not go in the house?
Because
I
somebody
saw
right
you
over
raw.
there,
I
so
saw you raw.
take time.
I saw you raw.
Listen, B. As me I try to say, I try to say, yo, we are get local subscriber now and something, and we are get local fame, look a bit of fame. Yeah, you want to come make love to me 3 times, 4 times and them thing there. You start do some things. Kalisha, right now, me pray as a gold digger, my youth.
You pray as a gold digger.
He's a gold digger, Kalisha, and a freaking bitch. He's a,
Yeah.
he's a,
Yeah.
he's a,
Yeah.
Kalisha.
Yeah, call bitch. You tried that with me the first time already and come call me. Don't rub pudding.
Kalisha, so you
If
really
you go
box
on
me?
with your girl, go on with your girl. You're not gonna come.
You really
You gotta
box
come
me?
from a thumpy and there is the maga boy.
Be.
Move now. Fuck you about bitch. Move man.
Be you
Let's
really
go
box me?
now. Yeah, you fucking call it a bitch. Yeah, what? Fucking batty man.
So you really box me? Can't believe say you really do that. And lock me out. I lock me out. What this? Look at what this. Guys. Me I tell you, guys, more while enough do certain prank, You see that, guys? At about 2-3 times CC box me, people. Box me in my face. And I prank her, guys, and she box me in my face. So tell me how happen. You see you box me in my face with nothing at all? And you go, going like you fat. Guys, spam out the comment section with Team Nathan, guys. You're fooling people. So guys, like, share, comment and subscribe.
Come on, Benjamin. Boy.
Nah, say nothing,
Everybody knows something.
Good, yeah? Like, share, comment and subscribe.